In this video, you'll learn how to use our research terminal. The home page within the research terminal is your starting point for the trading day. This is where we are delivering the most interesting pieces of information relevant to that trading day, whether that be high confidence trade ideas, upcoming macroeconomic events, trade alerts, and news sentiment updates. Using the menu tab on the left-hand side, you can explore all of our data sets in one page. Let's start by looking at the assets. This gives you a breakdown of thousands of assets that we cover within our database and will allow you to do a deep dive into the market that matters most to you. For instance, if we select gold, we can see the opportunity score, how it ranks versus its peers, any latest trade ideas that are relevant to this particular market that have been generated by our team of analysts today. You'll also see a chart showing you how prices move versus news sentiment. You can see macro events overlaid on the chart, giving you an insight as to what is upcoming and what has happened previously. You'll also be able to utilize our market alerts tool, which will show you any changes and shifts in sentiment that have historically led to changes in price. As we scroll down further, you will get to see the opportunity score in more detail, a breakdown of all the metrics that go into forming our opportunity score, allowing you to see how they rank across trend, sentiment, volatility, and news volume. We also have detailed overviews showing you all the relevant information for this particular asset, whether it be the next impactful event or any support resistance levels that might be useful for your trading. Scroll down further and we get a list of latest news which is relevant to its particular group, whether it be a commodity or a currency. We can also look at news specifically linked to that asset. We also have our market companion tool, which is delivering bite-sized pieces of information telling you exactly why a price is moving and why, keeping you ahead of all the latest information in the market and giving you an edge when it comes to trading. Below that, we have the latest calendar events, all of which are likely to impact this particular asset, as well as a list of associated assets to give you a broader picture about what is happening elsewhere in financial markets. Back to the menu on the left-hand side, you can see our News IQ tool. Again, a tool for inspiration, allowing you to go in and find out what is moving in the markets and why you should be interested. Whether it's price moving up or down, we all want to know why that is, and we're delivering that information with our AI companion tool. As we can see here, Apple is moving down, and we have in 2 sentences described why that price is moving, all updated in real time within the terminal. We can also show you the trending instruments from a news perspective. We can look at the best performers, those showing growth potential, the worst performers, and where there are some potential warning signs, allowing you to click on the bubbles and read various articles linked to those particular assets. We also have some analysis below, which is providing you with reasons why price is moving, but also giving you an action of what you could potentially do next. The calendar tool, this is where you go to find out exactly what's happening in the days and weeks ahead, giving you an insight into what's moving price, what could potentially move price, and making sure you're informed and don't miss a single event. Next, we have the Analysis IQ tool, which will provide you with all your trading signals for the day ahead, covering 50 different markets, showing you where the entries, stops, and targets are across a range of different assets, as well as full transparency when it comes to the performance of these trade ideas as well. The whole platform is interlinked, so from the latest insights, you can really start going down various routes of where you want to go and find out all the information that you need. Essentially, the research terminal brings all the tools together in one place and use it to give yourself a clear view, to check sentiment, read news, study charts, and build your plan in one clean